definition.
Is this a game I'm gonna play?
It's not a game.
It is a game. I did not use the word retaliate.
If I give you an attitude, you're gonna give me a ticket.
I had that right yet. You know what? I'm done talking to you. I'm done.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was submitted by a viewer named Patrick, who on January 16th of 2022 was visiting Lansing, Pennsylvania. The roads are being repaved and have temporary no parking signs along the street to allow for construction. The signs, however, were only posted on one side of the road, and multiple vehicles had parked on the opposite side, including Patrick. Officer Lilly noticed Patrick park and was going to issue a ticket until Patrick confronted him about the lack of signage in the area he was parked in. The video starts in the middle of the conversation and appears as though Officer Lilly was unaware of the fact he was being recorded, as he claims he could issue a ticket if Patrick has an attitude. Officer Lilly has unknowingly admitted to possibly issuing tickets based on contempt of cop. In other words, if you don't bow down to the state official and hurt his feelings, he is likely to penalize you for it in any way he can.
If that's what you want.
So, if I give you an attitude, you're gonna give me a ticket.
I had that right yet.
What's your name and your badge number?
Badge 69, Officer Lilly. Spell it right. L-I-L-L-Y.
So you're gonna retaliate and give me a ticket if I'm have an attitude.
No, you can leave your
That's
car.
what you just said.
You want to leave your car there? You can leave your car there.
That's what you just said.
I'm telling you that you're gonna get a ticket.
Okay.
So.
But you just said.
Move your car. Move your car.
At 5 o'clock. Until 5 o'clock, right?
Yeah, till 5 o'clock.
Till 5 o'clock. Okay, it's 3 o'clock.
Everybody needs to move. I'm trying to get people moved now because I have 7 streets to cover. I can't cover them all at the same time.
Okay, but
so
I have till 5 o'clock, right?
If I come back at 5 o'clock.
But my problem right now is you just said that you're going to retaliate and give me a ticket if I have an attitude.
I did not say I was going to retaliate.
But you just said you're going to give me a ticket if I have an attitude.
You know what? I'm done talking to you. I'm done. So at 5 o'clock when I come back
here,
here.
Did you just,
I did not use the word retaliate.
But that's the definition.
I'm done.
That's the definition.
Is this a game I'm going to play?
It's not a game.
It is a game.
No, it's not a game.
Because you knew why I honked the horn. You walked up here to tell me that. So I said, okay, move your car.
I asked you because the signs are on this side of the street.
Okay, so you're saying you're parking on the other side of the street so you can park there?
Yes.
No, you're wrong.
If there's signs on both sides of the street, no parking.
That's not how it works, buddy.
Okay.
That's not how it works.
All right.
So if you want, I'll go back get my chief. He'll come up here and he'll write your ticket. So you can move your car.
You can do anything that you gotta do, but you said till 5 o'clock, right? But before that,
at 5 o'clock, I'm coming through here, and anybody who's not moving is going to get a ticket.
But before that, you said if I have an attitude, you were going to give me a ticket. That's what you said.
I said, do you want a ticket?
Because I have an attitude. That's what you said.
Do you want a ticket?
Well, I'll file a complaint on you.
Unfortunately, Patrick's phone dies, but the interaction ends at that point anyway. Patrick moved his vehicle before 5 o'clock and was not cited for parking legally during the available posted hours. The lack of manpower to clear parking spots isn't Patrick's concern, but I imagine if the officer asked nicely if people could move because whatever, he would be more likely to find people in an agreeable state. Retaliatory ticketing and contempt of cop citations are alive and well. Leave a message below for Patrick as he does not have a channel of his own, and remember to always record your interactions with state officials. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.